Do you feel overwhelmed and exhausted? Have you had days when you only wanted to lay in bed and do nothing? We've all had off days when we feel lazy and unmotivated. This could be normal, but is it just an off day? Or is there something more there? Let's talk about 9 signs of depression that are more than being lazy and unmotivated. Hi, my name is Dr. Air, and I'm a board certified lifestyle psychiatrist. Let's take Sandra, a middle aged woman with 3 young children. She has always been driven and motivated, but lately she spent most of her day in bed. She's struggling to keep up with taking care of her family. She's behind on chores and has even given up playing tennis, which she previously enjoyed. Is Sandra being lazy or is this something more serious? In her case, she was struggling with depression. So let's talk about these 9 signs of depression. Number one, depressed mood most of the day, nearly every day. This causes feelings of sadness, emptiness, and hopelessness. Depression is more than just feeling sad or lazy. It can feel like being trapped in a fog. You may wake up each day feeling like you have a weight on your chest, making it hard to breathe, move, and live. A patient of mine once described this feeling as trying to run a marathon with an invisible backpack full of heavy stones. Number two, decreased interest or pleasure in activities previously enjoyed. Depression is like a fire that has burned out, leaving behind cold ashes instead of warmth and light. The flames of excitement and passion that once fueled your interest and activities are gone. The spark seems lost no matter how hard you try to reignite them. The world around you might seem colorless, and activities that once brought you joy now feel empty and meaningless. Number three, significant weight loss when not dieting or weight gain. In most cases, this is a change of more than 5% of your body weight in a month. Depression could also cause a decrease or increase in appetite. Someone described this as having a numb palate, causing food to lose flavor. This can make eating become a chore rather than a pleasure. Unexpected weight changes can occur from not eating enough or, in some cases, comfort eating. Number four, sleeping too little or too much. Depression makes sleep feel like trying to rest on a stormy ocean. The constant waves of sadness, worry, and hopelessness toss you around, making it impossible to sleep. On the other hand, this turbulence can sometimes leave you drained and exhausted, causing you to sleep too much. Number five, feeling very agitated or sluggish. The sluggishness from depression is like a bird trapped in a cage with an open door. Even if there is a way out, an unseen force keeps it from flying free. When you're severely depressed, this can also show outwardly as people may notice you're not yourself. Number six, fatigue or loss of energy. Imagine trying to swim against a powerful river current. No matter how hard you try, you continue to be pulled in the opposite direction, and soon you're completely exhausted. Depression can cause you to stay in bed all day as you have no drive to get up and go. Number seven, feelings of worthlessness or excessive guilt. For some people, living with depression is like having a broken compass in the middle of a desert. You feel completely lost and hopeless. As a result, your self worth diminishes, and severe guilt may accompany this. You may find yourself in a cycle of negative thoughts, hopelessness, and worthlessness. That disconnected feeling from yourself may be overwhelming and scary. Number eight, poor attention and concentration. Depression makes you feel like you have brain fog, making it hard to focus or pay attention. This can affect your work, school, and other personal aspects of your life. Relationships can suffer, and you may feel like a burden to people around you, leading to isolation and loneliness. The fear of being judged or misunderstood can make it hard to seek help, leaving you feeling even more trapped. Number nine, thoughts of killing yourself. So imagine being shackled to the ground by invisible chains. Each time you attempt to rise, you're met with resistance only you can feel. Depression can bind your spirit to the point you may think killing yourself is the only way out. That should not be an option, however. Please seek professional help if you think you may be depressed. There are treatment options such as medications, counseling, esketamine, and TMS. Watch this next video to find out more about depression treatments.